Rushed and out of proportion. That's the head of easyJet's assessment of Britain's quarantine plan. Chief Executive Johan Lundgren said he believed easyJet, Ryanair and British Airways have a good chance of winning their legal battle against it. Britain on Monday introduced a 14-day quarantine for international arrivals despite the threat of legal action. There were doubts among arrivals.
From here to home, I'm going to use a public transport. So if I'm a carrier now, then how would they control it? How would you know if I've spread it to anyone else? So there's no track of that at all.
Apparently people are not informed that you need to fulfill an online form before you come here. I've seen maybe 5 people who came. The rest, they didn't do it.
easyJet is already planning to cut 4,500 jobs, or 30% of its workforce. It said the quarantine could make the situation even worse. That sentiment was echoed by the chief executive of London's Heathrow Airport. John Holland Kay said Monday that hundreds of thousands of jobs, if not millions, could be lost in Britain if aviation is not able to resume quickly. The biggest airlines have warned that the move will decimate domestic tourism and damage exports. Ryanair boss Michael O'Leary says he believes legal action will be successful.
File the legal papers today or tomorrow, and we're very hopeful that a court will hear this action on an emergency basis before the end of the week. And we think there's a reasonable prospect of obtaining some kind of injunctive relief to prevent this quarantine going ahead.
Heathrow said it hopes the government will replace the measure with an approach that would allow people to travel freely between countries with low infection rates.